Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start by verifying prerequisites so you can connect without permission errors. Make sure you have the Sharepoint site URL and an account with read permission. This is why matching org credentials matter. Once Power BI Desktop is installed, sign in with the same work or school account to avoid authentication conflicts. Decide now whether you need the Sharepoint folder connector for files or the Sharepoint list connector for structured lists, because that determines your next connector choice. You will now perform the core connection and transformations. In Power BI Desktop, choose Get Data and pick the Sharepoint folder or Sharepoint online list option, then paste the site URL. This tells Power BI where to look. When prompted, use the organizational account authentication so tokens align with Sharepoint. In the navigator, pick the target file or list and load into Power Query. Once loaded, apply filters, remove unnecessary columns, expand records, or XML/. You will finish by applying changes, publishing, and setting refresh. Close and apply in Power Query to load the model, then build visuals and save your PBICs. Publish to the Power BI service. If your Sharepoint is on-premises, configure an on-premises data gateway and set a scheduled refresh so reports remain current. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: clear cached credentials in Power BI, re-authenticate with the correct organizational account, and if needed, request tenant admin consent to allow access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.